Do you like the idea of bringing in new patients online? Video is one of the fastest growing mediums and a great way to leverage marketing and growing your practice. A compelling video on your website can help attract people who resonate with you and whom you enjoy working with. Did you know that on social media, video gets shared 12 times more than things that are posted with just text or images? People also tend to retain more when they watch you on video versus like reading something. But many naturopathic doctors find it hard to find the time or don't know what to say or maybe get nervous. So I'm really excited about our upcoming AANP Bootcamp, which is going to help you with a simplified approach to automating your marketing through video. Even if you're not good with the tech stuff or you're worried about not looking good on camera. So during this hands-on workshop, you're going to come away with a video asset done that you could either put on your website or in other things that you do, whether it's email or social media, to help bring in patients. Because not all videos are created equal. Simply educating isn't always enough to be able to inspire new patients to come from it. And if you're interested in expanding your reach on social media, how to do your first or next IG Reel Live or Facebook Live or YouTube so that you are able to be educating people and reaching more people at once. I will also help you with the 3-step formula that we've helped our naturopathic doctor clients with, and which have helped them with getting new patients through video via social media. I'll also show you how to multiply exposure and reach just from creating one thing that you could use over and over again. And you can cut down the time you spend by half. So register now for the AANP Bootcamp. Click on the link, register now, and I can't wait to help you in this hands-on experience.